I'm Amy Summers, founder and president of Pitch Publicity and INICIVOX, and I cannot wait to see you at my upcoming session, Adopting a Mentorship Mentality. If you've ever felt that mentorship was another to-do on an already packed schedule, I'm here to shift your perspective. And spoiler alert, mentorship isn't a task, it's a relationship. In this workshop, we'll explore how you can infuse mentorship into your everyday leadership style without adding extra pressure. You'll identify your unique mentorship intention, create actionable strategies that seamlessly fit into your daily routine, and learn how to build authentic, meaningful connections with your team that drive both their success and yours. Whether you're managing employees, leading a committee, or simply looking to elevate your leadership impact, this workshop will give you the tools to make mentorship a natural and rewarding part of how you lead. So join me in my interactive workshop, Adopting a Mentorship Mentality, and together let's redefine what it means to lead with intention as a mentor. I can't wait to see you there.